Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook easy meals. Begin with a simple sheet pan dinner. Toss chicken pieces, chop potatoes and broccoli florets with olive oil and your favorite spices. Roast everything together in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. This method ensures perfectly cooked food with almost no cleanup afterward, making weeknight meals wonderfully stress-free. Next, consider the incredible speed of a pasta dish. Boil your preferred pasta until al dente, which usually takes around 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta cooks, quickly sauté garlic and cherry tomatoes in olive oil, then toss with fresh basil and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. This creates a flavorful, satisfying meal that's ready in under 15 minutes from start to finish. Maximize your efficiency by practicing smart ingredient preparation. Dedicate just 30 minutes once a week to chop onions, peppers, and other frequently used vegetables. You can also cook a large batch of chicken or ground meat, which can then be incorporated into salads, wraps, or stir-fries later. This small effort transforms your weeknight cooking from a chore into a breeze. Don't let delicious food go to waste. Reinvent your leftovers with creativity. That roasted chicken from yesterday can become a vibrant chicken salad for lunch tomorrow, or shred it into tacos with some fresh salsa. Similarly, extra cooked vegetables can be added to an omelet for a quick breakfast or stirred into soup for added nutrition. It is an effortless way to create another meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.